Hey y'all, welcome back my AGG family. Welcome back to Amazing Grace Garden. So y'all, I'm in the Dollar Tree, alright? And I just told you that I had saw some stuff that was going into the spring, okay? Far as them starting to put stuff out. So a couple weeks ago, if you were watching my vlogs on Mississippi Girl Life, I had told y'all that they had some of the little banners or whatnot to say hello spring. Well, I just came into this Dollar Tree and let me show you what they got already. Today is January 4th, 2025. How does song go? I love, I love, I love, I love, I love. Yes, look y'all. It is January 4th and we already got garden stuff out. Look at it. Look at this. I told y'all it was gonna have. I told you it was gonna have. Look at it. I'm trying to get my mask right. Look. Garden right now they got garden gloves out. They got some of these biodegradable type seed starting pots. They got seeds. What's this? Look at that. Seed starting mix. Seed starting mix. Little pack of seed starting mix. Oh, ooh, they got microgreens. Microgreens. Somebody been, look, Lord, these people gonna think I'm crazy. Somebody been already getting this stuff, y'all. Somebody been already getting it, because people is not playing. People understand that we need to grow our own food, okay? So, look at this. Look at this. Yo. They got these little 4-pack ones right here. And then they got these 6-packs down here. Of the little containers. $1.25 now. $1.25. I ain't never saw that little brick of seed starting mix. Okay? And then I like these right here. They work good. Got the little basil one. Tomato one. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, come on, AGG family. Let's go around here and see what else they got. They got the kneeling pads out. All the little hummingbird stuff. They got the domes for the frost that I was telling y'all about, the plant domes. And see, like if you got a garage and you got to grow your stuff in the garage and it get cold like mine, you can put these domes on it. So can. Decorations. And then they got seeds. They got their seeds out at the Dollar Tree. Look at this. They got their seeds out at the Dollar Tree, honey. Look at it. It's no excuse. It is no excuse. They ain't $4 for $1 now. They are $4 for $25. $4 for $1.25. So they did change that. It's on time. And yes, the Dollar Tree seeds are good. They are good. Okay? So, oh my goodness, let me see what else I can find over here and see what else I see. What else they have that I may be missing. Okay. Plant labels. And they're metal garden hooks. And they got plant labels. Plant hanger. So yeah, they are putting it out. They are putting it out, y'all. Alright, y'all. So, couple days, them plays are what? Like 1 day or something like that. Because I started filming this video on January 4th. And it is January 6th. So I didn't finish it yesterday or the day that I did it, which is the 4th. Okay, so I'm about to finish it now, and that's just me showing you what I ended up getting from the Dollar Tree, y'all. I'm so excited that the garden stuff is out. It's January and it's out. Okay, so I went on and got me 2 more, because I think I got some out there of these seed starting greenhouse things. They work perfect because it got the little dome on it, the little cover on it, and then when I set this on top of my heating pad, ooh wait, seeds gonna germinate. Okay. So I only got me 2 of those. You can't beat that with a stick. Trying to put it up top. You can't beat that with a stick. Okay, that's a good deal. Then I could not pass these up because I want to try these for y'all. I could not pass this up. This is the compressed seed starting mix from Dollar Tree. The brand is American Seed. This is the first time I have saw this, okay? The first time I have saw this at the Dollar Tree. And is where you add water and then it turns into a sea starter like dirt. Well, you know what I'm saying, cocoa core. It says 100% cocoa core, so that's what it is. So you add water to it, you watch it, you know, get all moist and stuff, and like you know, break down or whatnot, and then you can plant your seeds in it. So yeah, we're gonna see how much this is, how much this actually give us or whatnot. So I ended up getting 3 of these, okay? 3 of these, because I had to go through all my garden stuff. I got bukus of garden stuff that ain't even open and stuff. But one thing that I will not slack on, especially with everything going on, if you over on Mississippi Girl Life, then you know what I'm talking about. Everything in the world and all this stuff. That's why a lot of people is jumping on these seeds and stuff. And if you don't get your seeds, you ain't gonna have none, and you're gonna be forced to pay a lot of money for some, okay? Last but not least, because definitely, guys, well, I am not finished, okay? Y'all probably like, girl, why you got this big old bag for that little old stuff? Because that's the bag I carried in there. I got so many different bags. That's the bag that I had carried in there. And then I had did some more shopping and whatnot in there, but this is my garden stuff. So I said, you know what, it is what it is. It is what it is. So I have been looking for these, and I feel like I cannot have enough of these, because once you plant these and harvest it, it's done, okay? And that is microgreens. You can have vegetables in a week and a few days, okay? This is 10 days harvest, as little as 10 days. Some of them you can harvest in 7, but these particular ones say 10 days. These are microgreens, okay? Let me see if it tell me what kind of microgreens is in here. It's a mix contains 20% of each of the following, okay? Mustard purple wave, mustard manzana line straight. That's what it say. That's what it say. Then you got mustard tat soil, kale, red ursa, and kohlrabi purple bean. Now that's the only one that I know exactly what it is. Okay, but it is what it is though. So microgreens, microgreens. Okay, so I'm so happy about this. I'm gonna try to get as many as I can each time. The microgreens, I don't have my receipt, but these I think are $1.25 a pack. They're not, come on, I don't think they was. They're not part of the 4 for $1.25. They wasn't on that area. And these are a little bigger packs than those, so these are $1.25 each. But they still are microgreens, and I'm telling you, I will talk more to y'all about that later on. But microgreens, I mean, you cannot go wrong with them, because they give you so many vitamins and nutrients in a little bit of days. Like, you can grow these now in your house, okay? You can do microgreens in your house. I know on Mississippi Girl Life I did have a video. It was sponsored, but it was by I think Back to Roots or something like that. It was sponsored by them. It was a microgreen kit. I think I did that last year. Okay, I'll try to find it and try to share it in the community post, because a lot of my garden stuff is on that channel. But I'm redoing things and bringing it over here. So yeah, I always talk about how important I feel like microgreens is. Now microgreens, sprouts, and grasses are increasingly popular, as they are easy to grow, easy to harvest, easy to prepare, delicious to eat, and highly nutritious. The only problem with this is, I'm looking at it, when it say microgreens, sprouts, and grasses, okay? So these are microgreens. So these, I'm guessing they got like micro sprouts and micro grasses. I don't know if they saying that like it's all in here, but from what I'm looking at, these are not grass. These are actually like green, so I should be fine. But I am allergic to grasses, all grasses, okay? So I have to be careful what mixture has what. I have to be careful when I eat like wheat and stuff like that, because it's a type of grass, and it don't give me just the normal sneeze, allergies, nothing like that. I'm actually allergic to it, so it does even more to me. So I have to be very careful about the type of microgreens that I do choose, okay? And like I say, it's nothing I come up with. This is been medically done. I've had my tests done for my allergy tests and stuff, so it is written in stone. All grasses, so I have to be careful. So if you have that issue where you are allergic to things and it's more than an allergy, it's actually like an allergic reaction, because there is a difference between the two. Being allergic is a little worse than allergies, okay? So and they can mimic to a certain extent. So if you get microgreens, make sure you look and see every pack or every brand or whatnot have different types of greens in it. Make sure you know which one you are getting, okay? So I'm definitely going to try these though, and I will bring y'all along when I do, okay? So that's gonna be the end of this Dollar Tree haul video. Expect plenty more. I should have had it out for y'all, but like I say, I'm doing too much. I am filming for both channels and trying to get y'all content and important information and ideals and motivate you and inspire you and all that type of stuff. So it's just a lot for one girl, okay? It's a lot. So I started it January 4th, and you're getting it today, January 6th. It's actually the day that I'm gonna put it out, that I'm actually finishing the video. Okay, so that's fine though. It's a blessing to be able to finish it, so I would not complain about that. Okay, so these are my little goodies that I did pick up from the Dollar Tree. So I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. Y'all be safe. Love y'all. Bye.